Seventh question. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle. So we have to draw a circle using, no, not using compass, using bangle. So by using bangle, if we draw, we are not knowing the radius. To find radius, what we should do? We should take 3 points. It should be chord of the circle, and or you may take any 2 chords, but don't take parallel chords. If you take parallel chords, the center of the circle, it won't come. At that time, the overlap will become. Therefore, it is better to take like these 3 points. Name this X, Y, Z. So when we should bisect this X, Y and Y, Z, so that we get an intersection point. That point is our center of the circle. So now join these intersection arcs. See, this intersection point be our O, center of the circle. Now, once we got radius, we can take any point outside the circle here. Here, they have not given any length. How much you want, you may take here. So, this be external point P. Now, next step is we have to draw this perpendicular bisector of OP. Again, take your compass and take more than half of the OP. Cut 2 arcs. Cut an intersection arc. Now, join these. Now this be our O. You may take here B, M, P, Q. Q we will take. Now Q has center and PQ or OQ has a radius. Draw a circle. Here. Next, see, you have got here 2 points. So this A and this point be our B. Now we have to join this PA, PB. PA and PB are our required tangent from an external point P. Now for justification, we have to join this OA, or else you may join this OB also. Both are same. OA justification. Now see the triangle OAP. See, first we will write join OA. Now OAP is what? Angle OAP is equals to 90 degree. Again, reason what? Angle in a semicircle. See, this is semicircle here. See students, this is 90 degree and we have already proved in 4.1 theorem. Now clearly we can write OA is perpendicular to PA. Therefore, if it is perpendicular, this is OA is what? OA is the radius of circle. It's the radius of a circle. If it is radius, then no doubt this PA is tangent. PA has to be a tangent of the circle. See, this PA is also a tangent. Now we have proved. Similarly, PB is also tangent. Similarly, PB is tangent of the circle.